All right, y'all, so this is gonna be a little bit different video than normal. We're not gonna have a test drive, not gonna put it on the rack. We're just gonna actually show you guys a real barn find, or let's say a field find. We got a 1971 Cutlass convertible, real 442, numbers matching in every aspect with a build sheet. We are not going to restore this car in any way at all. We are just going to put it out there for someone else to, someone else that's looking for a project, looking for one of these to build. We're just going to put it out there as is without doing anything. The car does run, brake, and stop. The top actually goes up and down, and like I said, the car, it can be driven. But getting into it, I'm going to just highlight everything on this vehicle for prospective buyers. Coming down the passenger side, paint and body actually isn't horrible. It's pretty much about driver's quality. Coming to the trunk area looks solid as well. The stripes look good. Paint actually looks decent. Coming into some of the some of the opportunity areas, of course, rear bumper that needs to be re-chromed for sure. Let me get closer. I don't even know if it's picking up all of the rust, but again, it definitely needs to be re-chromed. And then as we come down the driver's side, this rear quarter panel actually looks solid. And I actually went around the car with a magnet hit every single spot, so pretty confident there's no Bondo in this car, and if there is, it's very, very minimal. But Bondo, the magnet hit on every spot. Again, the wheel wells look pretty solid. You can see some of the paint peeling as we get to the driver's door. As we come up to the driver's side fender, you got this big dent here, right here on the crease. Windshield itself is solid, no cracks in the glass, no spider webbing, but you can see that it's missing the top bow on the across the top, as well as the chrome that goes there. As we come down the hood, from a distance, paint looks pretty solid, but you are going to need a new hood. As you know, all the 442s have fiberglass hoods. You got a crack there, paint peeling there, here, and mainly this is all cracked. You can tell somebody tried to pop the hood and didn't know the latches weren't turned, and they pulled all of this up. So definitely got to point that out. Front bumper, same as the rear, very solid, but will need to be re-chromed. So I'll make sure you guys see everything on this car. Like I said, this is a true barn find or field find, whatever you want to call it. Interior wise, rear seat is actually pretty decent. No rips, no tears. You can see door handles missing there. I'm sorry, window cranks missing. And then this thing is going 100% to need floors. We didn't even waste time in putting the carpet down, because every single one of the floors was going to need to be redone. So surprisingly, the trunk pan is clean. You guys will see that once I actually open it up, but you're going to need new floor pans. So dash is solid, didn't have any cracks in it or anything. Again, you guys, how cheap we're posting this is specifically because it's going to be a full restoration project. And again, it's a numbers matching true 442. Trunk pans, again, solid. No soft spots, no holes, so super surprising there. And give me a second, I'm gonna go ahead and get this hood open. There we go. So you got the 455, again, original to the vehicle. Power brakes, power steering. This was a non-AC vehicle. So wanted to kind of give you guys an idea. Some of our vehicles, when we actually do have to go through them, I'm not gonna say they start off like this, but kind of give you an idea of some of the things that sometimes what we're looking at before we go through vehicles, before they're painted, before they have body work done, before interiors are done, things like that. But like I said, on this one, we're not going to do that. We're just going to list it and let somebody else build their dream ride. I'm gonna go ahead and fire her up so you guys can see that, and then let the go ahead and fire her up. As you see, she fires right up. Let's go ahead and let the top works with 0 issues, and it's super crazy too because it looks like the top is new, and I'll show you what I mean. First, these pads, normally the pads deteriorate after time, and these still feel nice and thick. And then when you look at this top, again, it's a white top, no rips, no discoloration at the seams. Glass looks perfect with no cracks. So it almost looks like somebody was going to start getting this back together, and they started at the top, and that was it. That's where they stopped. So again, 71 Cutlass 442 convertible. Appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe below.